Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pan-seared chicken at home. First, select boneless, skinless chicken breasts, ideally about 1 inch thick for even cooking. Pat them completely dry using paper towels. This is crucial for achieving that perfect golden brown crust. Then, season both sides generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you enjoy like garlic powder or paprika to build flavor. Now let's get that beautiful sear. Heat 1 tablespoon of high smoke point oil, like canola or avocado oil, in a heavy-bottomed skillet over medium-high heat until it shimmers. Carefully place the seasoned chicken breasts in the hot pan. Sear each side for about 5 to 7 minutes, or until they develop a rich, golden brown crust. Always check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer to ensure it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. To elevate the flavor, add 1 tablespoon of butter, some minced garlic, and fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary to the pan during the last few minutes of cooking. Spoon the melted butter and aromatics over the chicken, basting it continuously. Once cooked, transfer the chicken to a cutting board. It's essential to let it rest for at least 5 minutes before slicing. This allows the juices to redistribute, keeping your chicken incredibly tender and moist. Finally, it's time to serve your perfectly cooked chicken. Slice it against the grain into 1/2 inch thick pieces to ensure maximum tenderness in every bite. Plate it up with your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a fresh salad, and enjoy your delicious homemade meal. For more great tips and deals, and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.